price. It was a good deal. How much was it? It was like $50.
I'm gonna record this.
So like I got like $50. I paid $50 for one super pumper. You know what I mean? So I was like, all right, I'll try it out. I mean,
the act is like 35.
Good show.
Thank you. Hold the door, please.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Tomorrow. Later.
Later, haters.
Wait.
What?
What?
What do you mean?
Where's my car?
What do you mean?
Okay. What are you guys doing? I'm parking right behind Heroes when I came back from lunch.
Did you get dropped off?
Stop it.
I thought you got dropped off.
What are you talking about?
Huh? No, I have my car.
She can't find her car. You have your keys, don't you?
Stop it. Stop.
Why are you looking?
Stop it.
Why would it be us?
Maybe you're. Did your mom come? Did you guys
No.
like have?
I went to lunch, pick up my food. Jenny made fun of me. I parked my car right behind Heroes, right in the parking spot right there. My
Your
car is
mom
not.
has keys to the car?
The keys is right in my
I
hand.
know.
You don't have two
set?
sets?
I don't know.
No.
You better use my phone then.
Are you serious? Are you guys for real?
Are you
If
for
need
real?
to stay, I'll stay, but I'm gonna go. I got nothing to do with it.
Come on, don't do that to me.
It's crazy.
What'd you put at?
Hey, April Fools.
Love you, Kelly.
Hey, remember when you said you didn't like me? Hey, Kelly. Kelly, smile for the camera.
Wave, Kelly, wave.
Wave, Kelly. April Fools. That was Ricky's doing. Good job, Ricky. Hey, and he's your favorite.